kids! I hope that you are all fine at home. Are you one of those kids who are afraid of numbers and of math problems? Don't you worry, because I am here to help you. This is your teacher, Rowena S. Corpus of Joaquin de la Cruz Elementary School. Happy to serve you as your mathematics buddy. Together, let us make math easy, fun, and exciting. Before we start, please take note of the following reminders. Number 1, stay focused and alert on this video lesson. Number 2, stay in comfortable and quiet place at home. Number 3, ready your pen, your paper, and of course your module for your notes. And lastly, do not forget to enjoy learning.
Describing triangles and quadrilaterals. This is Math 4, Quarter 3, Week 2. At the end of this video lesson, you should be able to describe the attributes or properties of triangles and quadrilaterals using concrete objects or models. Before we start, let's have first an activity. This activity is called What Am I? I'm going to give you statements and you will identify what is being described. Did you get it? Let's begin. Number 1. I am the common endpoint of an angle. What am I? Mathtastic! The answer is vertex. How about the second one? I am an angle whose measure is 90 degrees. What am I? The answer is right angle. Math amazing. How about number 3? I am an angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. What am I? Matherific. It's acute angle. And the last one, I am an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. What am I? Magnificent! The answer is obtuse angle. You got it right! Now, we're ready for our new lesson. During the pandemic time, the Bayanihan Act of Filipino was again manifested. A community pantry has been established where people could take as much as they need and donate whatever they can. This is a way to help those people in need to survive. This is our community pantry in our barangay. There are fruits, vegetables, canned goods, eggs, and other necessary supplies for survival. But among those supplies our barangay distributed, most of the time, they gave slices of watermelon and some face masks. I wonder why these people in the community pantry always give slices of watermelon and pieces of face mask. Why do you think they gave slices of watermelon and some face masks? How do these supplies help the people during the pandemic time? Very good. Fruits like watermelon can help us boost our immune system and keeps our body healthier and stronger. And face mask is a protective gear against the COVID-19 virus. So kids, remember, Let us make it a habit to eat fruits and wear our face masks because it is a must to say no to illness and yes to wellness. Now kids, I want you to look closer. Look closer at the slices of watermelon. How many sides does the slice of watermelon have? Terrific! It has 3 sides. How about the face mask? How many sides does it have? Yes, it has 4 sides. The sides of the slices of watermelon and the sides of the face mask can be illustrated as line segment. A line segment is a piece or part of a line having 2 endpoints. Unlike a line segment has definite length, meaning it does not extend in any way. I have here 3 line segments and another set of 4 line segments. These line segments are being joined together. When 3 or more line segments are being joined together, they make up a polygon. What do we mean by polygon? A polygon class is a closed figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. These line segments are called sides and do not cross each other. Now, I have here 3 line segments that are being joined together. Class, 3 line segments that are being joined together is a triangle. A triangle is a simple closed curve or polygon which is created by 3 line segments. Triangle has properties. And what are the properties of a triangle? Let's have them one by one. Number 1. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. Let's check it out. This is the first side, the second side, and the third side. So we have 3 sides in a triangle. How about the angles? This is angle 1, angle number 2, and angle number 3. So we have 3 angles. Let's try to check the vertex. Vertex class is the point where 2 line segments meet. So we have here vertex number 1, vertex number 2, and vertex number 3. So there are 3 vertices. Second property. The sum of all the internal angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Take note of the word always. Always equal to 180 degrees. In this illustration, we have here angle number 1 measures 60 degrees. Angle number 2 also measures 60 degrees. And angle number 3 measures 60 degrees. So if we try to add them all, we have 60 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Again, I'll repeat. The sum of all the 3 internal angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Now class, I have here examples of triangle. These are concrete objects which are triangle. Number 1, we have the slice of watermelon. We also have the chips. Next one, we have a slice of pizza. These are triangles. For the models, we have here examples of triangles. Did you get it, class? Very good. Now, I also have here 4 line segments. 4 line segments that are being joined together makes up quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral, class? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Again, 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Like triangles, quadrilateral has properties. First property. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Let's try to locate them. This is the first side. This one is the second side. This one is the third side. And this is the fourth side. So there are 4 sides. How about the vertices? We have here vertex number 1, vertex number 2, vertex number 3, and vertex number 4. So we have 4 vertices all in all. This is the first angle, second angle, and this one is the third angle. And finally, this is the fourth angle. So, how many angles do we have? We have 4 angles. Now, number 2. Property number 2. Any quadrilateral can be divided into 2 triangles. I'll repeat, class. A quadrilateral can be divided into 2 triangles. If we try to put a mark in here or a line segment in the middle, we created 2 triangles. This is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. We have also here number 3 property. Since the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is 180 degrees and there are 2 triangles in a quadrilateral, then the sum of all the angles for each quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Again, the sum of all the angles for each quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Let's check it out. This triangle is 180 degrees. Another triangle is also equal to 180 degrees. Since the quadrilateral has 2 triangles, then we have to add up the angles. We have 180 plus 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Those are the properties of quadrilateral. Now kids, these are the examples of quadrilateral. Objects that are quadrilateral includes 1. Face mask. 2. You have door. Chocolate bars are also examples of quadrilateral. And we also have here an envelope. Those are just examples of the objects that are quadrilateral. Now let's proceed to the models. These are quadrilaterals. We have rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezoid, and square. So did you get it, class? I'm glad you get it right. Now, let us try this activity. Using the drawing below, tell whether the figure labeled by each letter is a triangle or quadrilateral. Here is the drawing. As you can see, the drawing is labeled by each letter. Let's now start. Letter A. Fantastic! It is a triangle. How about figure B? Amazing! You got it right. It's quadrilateral. Let's let's proceed to figure C. Magnificent! It is a quadrilateral. How about figure D? You got it right, Mod Incredible, kids! It is quadrilateral. Now let's proceed to letter E. Mod Terrific! It's a triangle. How about letter F? Magnificent! It's also a triangle. Let's proceed to letter G. Fantastic! It is quadrilateral. And finally, we have letter H. And figure H is... yes, it's a quadrilateral. Very good, kids. Let's proceed. Tell whether the object being shown is a triangle or a quadrilateral. What do we have here, class? Yes, it's a clock. And a clock is... very well said. It is quadrilateral. I also have here a ruler. This ruler is very good, a triangle. Now, we are ready to remember these statements. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles whose internal angle sum is always equal to 180 degrees. While a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles whose internal angle sum is always equal to 360 degrees. Put that in mind, class. Now, it's time for us to check your mastery. Activity A. Tell whether its figure is a triangle or a quadrilateral. First figure. It is a quadrilateral. Fantastic! The second one. We have here, amazing! It's a triangle. How about figure 3? Incredible! It is a quadrilateral. How about this one? Terrific! It's a triangle. And the last one we have here, a quadrilateral. Incredible! Let's proceed. We have here another activity. Tell whether each object is a triangle or a quadrilateral. First, party hat. Party hat is a triangle. Terrific! How about this one? A book. A book represents a quadrilateral. Amazing! Next one, we have a tripod. You're amazing! It's a triangle. How about a television? This is a quadrilateral. Very good. And finally, we have here a handkerchief. What do you think is a handkerchief? Is it a triangle or a quadrilateral? Incredible! It is quadrilateral. Now, class, you are ready for the next activity. That is, write yes if the statement is correct and no if it is not. All of you ready? Let's proceed. Number 1. All triangles have 3 equal sides and 3 angles. What's the answer? Very good. It's a yes. How about number 2? All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. What is the answer, kids? Very well said. It's again a yes. How about number 3? A triangle can be divided into 2 quadrilaterals. What's the answer? You're incredible! The answer is no. How about number 4? Is any three-sided polygon a triangle? The answer is, it's a yes. And finally, number 5, the sum of the internal angles of any quadrilateral is equal to 180 degrees. What's your answer, kids? Okay, the answer is no, because the sum of the angles of any quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees.
Good job, math enthusiasts! I hope you all learned in today's lesson. See you in the next math exploration. Once again, I am your teacher, Rowena S. Carpus, saying, always have fun in learning and it will keep you growing. Till next time!